Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up a letter workflow event template. The letter event configuration enables the practitioner to create letter templates that can easily incorporate examination information into a letter tailored for referral purposes. By automatically populating the form with examination details, the letter event feature promotes efficient, accurate and complete communication with healthcare professionals and specialists. The letter simplifies your referral process and avoids unnecessary repetition. Please be aware that the letter option is only available for certain clinical forms. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Click on the settings button in the top right corner. The settings screen will open. Click on the Entity Settings tab. Click on the Workflow Events Template panel. The Workflow Events Template panel will expand. Click on the Choose Event drop-down menu and select the letter option. Now, click on the Add Template button. The letter workflow event template screen will open. From here, we will be able to set up the letter event. Click on the template description field to enter the name of your letter template. Click on the Placeholders Choose drop-down menu to add placeholders to the template. To learn more in regards to placeholders and how to use them, please refer to the Workflow Event Placeholders user manual, linked in this video's description. Each letter will be divided into different sections, which we will now go through. Preamble is the initial section that is before the main body of the letter. The preamble is used as an introduction and contains things such as a greeting and remarks that establish the context or purpose of the letter. Click on the Add button in the Preamble section. The Add section screen will open where you can build the preamble section of your letter. Click on the text fields and enter the desired information. Remember to add placeholders if you wish by clicking on the Choose drop-down menu and making your selection. Once you are satisfied with the preamble section, click on the OK button. The information that was completed will now be displayed in the preamble section. If you wish to make any changes to this section, click on the Edit button. Click on the Config button. The Choose Paths to Omit from Print screen will open. From here, click on the Template drop-down menu to select the form template that you would like the letter to populate from. For the purpose of this video, we will select the IEVAL2 form. The fields of the form that have been selected will populate into the visible section. Click on any option that you would like to exclude from the letter. The selected options will then be added to the non-visible section. These are the options that you have chosen that will not be populated on the letter. If you added an option to the not visible section by accident, you are able to click on a field to move it back to the visible section. Click on the OK button to save the configuration. The Postamble section follows the main body of the letter, summarizing key points, often expressing gratitude and to contact the referring practitioner should they need more information. Click on the Add button in the Postamble section. The Add section screen will open. Like the Preamble section, you may complete the text field with the relevant information and placeholders. Click on the OK button when satisfied. The completed information will now display in the Postamble section. Click on the Save button to save the contents of the letter that you have just set up. The letter that was set up will appear on the Workflow Event template list. Please note that the template has not been saved as yet and has been highlighted in red. Click on the Save button once more to save the Workflow Event template.